Welcome to Bankruptcy Bytes, a video series presented to you by the United States Bankruptcy Court for the Eastern District of Missouri. I'm Matt Rodman, Attorney Advisor to the Clerk of Court. In today's video, we'll be going over Electronic Self-Representation, or eSR for short. Before we get started, just remember, the Clerk's Office and its staff are strictly forbidden from providing debtors and prospective debtors with legal advice, as we have a statutory obligation to always remain neutral. Everyone's situation is different, and for the best individual assistance, we recommend you speak with an attorney to get expert advice on the right path for you. Who can use eSR? eSR is a tool intended to help individuals representing themselves in bankruptcy file a Chapter 7 or Chapter 13 case without the assistance of an attorney. Thus, it can only be used by individuals. eSR is not available to attorneys or bankruptcy petition preparers, and it is also not designed for business or corporate bankruptcy filings. You may be wondering, why use eSR? Well, although the individual must pay the required filing fee for a Chapter 7 or Chapter 13 case, there is no additional cost to use this program. eSR has a guided step-by-step process that allows you up to 45 days to complete all the documentation required to file a Chapter 7 or Chapter 13 case. Further, your personal info is only accessible to you using a unique login and password assigned to you. eSR is accessible 24 hours a day from any internet-enabled computer. You do not need to download or purchase any software to use eSR. However, please note that eSR does not function as an attorney in any way. This is what you'll need to use eSR. First, you'll need a computer or tablet with an internet connection. You cannot use a smartphone. Next, you'll need Adobe Reader version 8 or higher. Your pop-up blocker must be disabled on whatever browser you use. The court recommends the latest version of Microsoft Edge, Mozilla Firefox, Google Chrome, or Safari. You'll need a printer. And lastly, you'll need a working email account. Before filing your case using the eSR system, there's a couple things you'll want to do. First, the Bankruptcy Code requires debtors to complete a credit counseling course within 180 days prior to filing their bankruptcy case. A list of approved credit counseling agencies has been compiled by the United States Trustee Program. A link to that list and the U.S. Trustee Program website is linked in the video description below. Next, you'll want to collect all your financial documents before you begin. Examples of such documents are pay statements, bank account information, recent tax returns. You can use the pre-filing checklists found on the court's website and linked in the video description below. This will help you ensure you have everything needed to file via eSR. Now that you've completed these pre-filing tasks, you'll want to create a user profile on the eSR system. To do this, you'll provide an email address, which will also serve as your login ID, and create a password for eSR. Once logged in to the eSR system, you'll be prompted to answer questions on a series of screens that will populate your bankruptcy petition, as well as your schedules and statements. Here's a flowchart on how to navigate preparing your petition using eSR. This flowchart is also available on the court's website and will be linked in the video description below. After you submit your petition, schedules, and statements via the eSR system, the court will send you a confirmation email to the email address you provided upon setting up your profile. This confirmation email will contain links to the following documents that you must submit in physical paper form to the court with your original signature affixed. These documents are the declaration regarding electronic filing, the statement about your Social Security numbers, and the verification of creditor matrix. In addition to submitting the 3 documents in physical paper form, you'll also decide how you'll be paying your filing fee. You have 3 options to pay your filing fee. First, you can pay the filing fee in the exact amount in cash, a cashier's check, or money order made payable to Clerk, U.S. Bankruptcy Court at the time you submit the 3 documents. Please do not mail cash to the court. Second, you can request that the court allow the filing fee to be paid in installments by filing an application to pay filing fees in installments. If approved, half of the filing fee must be paid within 7 days of the filed date of the petition. You will then pay the balance at 60 and 90 days from the filed date of the petition, respectively. You can pay the installments by submitting a cashier's check or money order made payable to Clerk, U.S. Bankruptcy Court in the exact amount due. Lastly, if you are filing a Chapter 7 case, you may request that the court waive your filing fee by filing an application for waiver of Chapter 7 filing fee. By law, the judge may only waive the filing fee if your income is less than 150% of the official poverty line for the size of your family, and if you are unable to pay the fee in installments. To submit the 3 required documents in physical paper form and either pay your filing fee or file an application to pay the filing fee in installments, or, if applicable, file the application for waiver of Chapter 7 filing fee, you must either come to the bankruptcy court on the 4th floor of the Thomas F. Eagleton Federal Courthouse in downtown St. Louis, or mail the originally signed required documents along with either your filing fee or the proper application to the court at United States Bankruptcy Court, Eastern District of Missouri, 111 South 10th Street, 4th floor, St. Louis, Missouri, 63102. A couple things to note here. First, the court is unable to open your case and assign a case number until all 3 documents have been received and the filing fee has been paid. Additionally, the automatic stay is not in effect until a bankruptcy case is open and a case number is issued by the court. Once the case is opened, the court will send you a notice containing your case number and information about your Section 341 meeting of creditors. You must attend the Section 341 meeting of creditors as instructed. Please see the court's website for information on the Section 341 meeting of creditors. You may be wondering how to make corrections to your petition package after it has been submitted. After your petition package has been submitted and you've received a confirmation number in your confirmation email, but before the bankruptcy court opens a bankruptcy case, you can log back into the eCSR website, click on Continue a Petition Packet tab, and log in. You'll then click on drop-down number 6 titled Petition Package on the left side panel. Then click on the Review and Submit link. Next, click the checkbox at the bottom of the page titled To Restore this petition and make it available for changes. Finally, click on Restore Package button. It is important to understand that changes to your petition package may only be made through the eSR system before the court opens your case and assigns a case number. For any changes to your petition, schedules, and statements that need to be made after the court opens your case and assigns a case number, you must complete an amended filing. Information concerning amended filings can be found in the court's local rules of bankruptcy procedure. You can access these local rules on the court's website at www.moeb.uscourts.gov. For technical assistance regarding the eSR system, please contact the clerk's office at 314-244-4500 or come see us in person on the 4th floor of the Thomas F. Eagleton Federal Courthouse in downtown St. Louis. An FAQ on the eSR system can be found on the court's website and will be linked in the video description below. While the eSR system is a valuable tool for prospective debtors opting to represent themselves in bankruptcy, the court strongly urges all debtors and prospective debtors to consult with an experienced bankruptcy attorney. A bankruptcy attorney will be well versed in the bankruptcy code, the federal rules of bankruptcy procedure, and the local rules of bankruptcy procedure. Together, these three sources provide the roadmap for a successful bankruptcy case. If you would like to speak with an attorney regarding your recent or upcoming bankruptcy filing, the Bar Association of Metropolitan St. Louis hosts the St. Louis Bankruptcy Pro Se Assistance Program. This program offers cost-free 30-minute sessions with an attorney where the prospective or current debtor can get the answers to some of their questions. To schedule an appointment, you may call 1-844-758-4059 or schedule online at www.bamsl.org/bankruptcy. Thank you for tuning in to learn a little bit about the electronic self-representation system. This video has been part of the Bankruptcy Bytes series presented to you by the United States Bankruptcy Court for the Eastern District of Missouri. I'm Matt Rodman, Attorney Advisor to the Clerk of Court. On behalf of the Clerk and the entire Clerk's Office staff, we hope you found this information helpful and we wish you the best moving forward.